Most people think aging skin is simply unavoidable. Wrinkles, loose skin, dryness, thin, fragile texture. And honestly, many older adults quietly believe their skin is finished after 60. But after decades of studying inflammation, circulation, collagen biology, aging, skin repair, and metabolic health, I can tell you something very important. Your skin is alive, constantly repairing, constantly responding, constantly reflecting what is happening inside the body every single day. And what shocked many of my older patients was discovering that some nighttime habits either accelerated skin aging dramatically or quietly helped the skin recover while they slept. Because nighttime is when much of the body's restoration happens. Collagen support, moisture balance, barrier repair, cellular recovery, everything shifts during sleep. And honestly, many people damage their skin all day long without realizing it. Then expect one expensive cream to magically reverse decades of neglect overnight. Now before we continue, let me say something clearly immediately. No oil magically erases wrinkles in 14 days. And anyone promising impossible anti-aging transformations overnight is being medically irresponsible. But supportive nighttime skin routines may absolutely improve hydration, skin softness, texture, dryness, irritation, and overall skin appearance surprisingly quickly in some people, especially after 50, when the skin becomes thinner, drier, and more vulnerable. And one oil keeps appearing repeatedly in conversations about aging skin and nighttime recovery: castor oil. Yes, simple castor oil. Now before we continue, if you truly care about protecting your skin, circulation, sleep quality, and long-term vitality naturally, subscribe and become part of our growing health family. Our mission is to help over 100,000 people stay healthier, stronger, and more informed through practical, science-backed health education that actually makes sense. And if you're watching today, tell me your age and where you're watching from in the comments below. I genuinely enjoy reading those comments because they remind people all over the world they are not navigating aging and self-care alone. Now let's talk about why skin suddenly seems to age faster after 50. Because once you understand this, wrinkles and dryness suddenly make much more sense. As the body ages, several things begin changing simultaneously. Collagen production declines, skin loses elasticity, blood circulation slows, oil production changes, hormonal shifts affect hydration, inflammation increases, recovery slows, and unfortunately, years of stress, poor sleep, sugar overload, smoking, dehydration, and sun exposure eventually become visible on the skin itself. One patient I remember very clearly was a 72-year-old woman who told me, "My skin suddenly became paper dry." That description is incredibly common after 60, because aging skin often struggles to hold moisture properly. Now here's where castor oil becomes especially fascinating. Castor oil is thick, rich, occlusive, and honestly, older skin often desperately needs barrier support and moisture protection. One thing many people never realize is that dry skin often looks older immediately. Fine lines become more visible, texture appears rougher, skin loses brightness, everything changes. One older woman constantly bought expensive anti-aging creams while barely moisturizing consistently at all. Once she started a gentle nightly moisturizing routine, skin comfort improved dramatically within weeks. Again, simple supportive habits matter enormously. Now let's talk briefly about the skin barrier, because this becomes critically important after 50. Your skin barrier helps protect against moisture loss, irritation, environmental stress, and inflammation. But unfortunately, many older adults unknowingly damage their barrier daily through harsh soaps, overwashing, hot water, aggressive skincare, and dehydration. One thing I constantly notice is that aging skin often responds better to gentler support, not aggressive punishment. Now here's another fascinating thing about nighttime itself. Nighttime is when the body performs much of its repair work. And honestly, poor sleep accelerates visible aging dramatically. Dark circles, dull skin, inflammation, puffiness, everything worsens after poor sleep. One older woman improved her appearance more through improving sleep quality consistently than through endlessly buying expensive products. Again, the body repairs itself during sleep. Now let's talk briefly about inflammation, because chronic inflammation quietly accelerates skin aging. Inflammation affects collagen, circulation, hydration, everything. And unfortunately, modern lifestyles constantly fuel inflammatory stress through poor sleep, processed foods, stress, smoking, blood sugar spikes. Everything accumulates gradually over time. One patient told me, "My face changed most during the most stressful years of my life." I believed her completely, because emotional stress affects biological aging profoundly. Now here's another hidden issue many people overlook completely: dehydration. And honestly, many older adults stay chronically dehydrated without realizing it. Dry skin, dry eyes, dry mouth, fatigue, everything becomes connected. One older gentleman constantly complained about flaky, irritated skin while barely drinking water throughout the day. Again, simple things matter enormously. Now let's talk briefly about massage, because this becomes incredibly important. Many benefits people associate with oils actually involve massage itself. Touch, warmth, circulation, relaxation. Everything affects the nervous system and skin simultaneously. One older woman gently massaged warm castor oil into her face and hands every evening before bed. Several weeks later, she told me, "My skin feels alive again." That sentence mattered deeply, because many older adults stop nurturing themselves emotionally and physically over time. Now here's another fascinating thing about circulation. Healthy circulation supports oxygen and nutrient delivery to skin tissues constantly. But poor circulation often contributes to dullness, slow healing, cold skin, fatigue. One thing I constantly remind older adults is this: what protects blood vessels often protects the skin too. Now let's talk briefly about collagen, because collagen becomes one of the most misunderstood topics online. Collagen is a structural protein helping support firmness and elasticity. But unfortunately, collagen naturally declines with aging, and chronic inflammation accelerates breakdown even further. One older woman told me, "My skin suddenly became thinner after 65. That statement is incredibly common. Now here's another hidden issue affecting aging skin dramatically: sugar. And honestly, many people never hear about glycation. Glycation happens when excess sugar molecules attach to proteins like collagen and elastin. That process may contribute to stiffness, wrinkles, and accelerated visible aging over time. One thing I constantly notice in healthier aging adults is that they usually eat fewer ultra-processed sugary foods consistently. Again, supportive physiology, not perfection. Now let me pause here because this next point matters deeply. Many older adults become emotionally harsh toward themselves while aging. They compare themselves to filtered internet images and impossible beauty standards. And honestly, that comparison becomes emotionally exhausting. Healthy aging is not about looking 20 forever. It's about looking healthy, rested, hydrated, alive. That distinction matters enormously. Now here's another fascinating thing about skin and emotional stress. The skin reflects emotional suffering visibly. Poor sleep, anxiety, grief, loneliness, everything affects facial appearance gradually over time. One older woman once told me, "My skin aged most during the hardest years emotionally." That sentence stayed with me because emotional health affects physical vitality profoundly. Now let's talk briefly about harsh skincare trends, because modern internet skincare culture often pushes aggressive routines. Acids, scrubs, peels, over-cleansing. And honestly, many older adults accidentally irritate aging skin even more. One thing I constantly notice is that mature skin often responds better to consistency and gentleness than aggression. Now here's another hidden issue many seniors face: loneliness and neglecting self-care. Retirement, loss, isolation, everything affects routines. One older woman told me, "I stopped caring for myself after living alone." That sentence mattered deeply, because healing often begins when people feel emotionally worth caring for again. Now let's talk briefly about movement, because movement supports circulation everywhere, including the skin. Walking, stretching, gentle activity, everything matters. One older gentleman noticed his complexion looked healthier after becoming physically active again consistently. Again, the body was designed for movement. Now here's another fascinating thing about healthier aging adults I've met over the years. Many of them follow surprisingly simple, supportive routines consistently. Better sleep, movement, hydration, real food, stress reduction, gentle self-care, connection, purpose, not perfection, consistency. That's the real foundation of healthy aging. Now before we continue, if this video has helped you think differently about aging skin so far, subscribe and become part of our growing health family. Every day we're helping people around the world better understand how to protect their skin, circulation, metabolism, and long-term vitality naturally. And together, we're getting closer to helping 100,000 people age healthier and stronger. Now let's talk briefly about how smoking aggressively accelerates visible aging. Poor circulation, collagen breakdown, oxidative stress, everything worsens. One thing I constantly notice is that smoking affects the skin faster than many people realize. Again, protecting blood vessels protects the skin too. Now here's another hidden issue affecting skin dramatically: alcohol. And honestly, alcohol affects hydration, sleep, inflammation, circulation, everything. One older woman noticed dramatic reductions in puffiness and dryness after reducing nightly alcohol habits consistently. Again, the body gives feedback constantly. Now let's talk briefly about nighttime routines, because calming nighttime rituals affect more than appearance alone. Warm lighting, gentle touch, relaxation, slower breathing, everything affects stress hormones and nervous system recovery. One patient told me, My nighttime routine became therapy for my nervous system. That statement mattered deeply because healing rituals are emotional rituals too. Now here's another fascinating thing about aging itself. The body after 60 becomes less forgiving toward neglect. Poor sleep affects recovery more. Stress affects inflammation more. Dehydration affects skin more. And many older adults quietly feel frustrated watching these changes happen. But supportive habits still matter enormously later in life. The body still responds to care. Now let's talk briefly about protein, because many older adults eat surprisingly little protein daily. And honestly, tissue repair depends on nourishment. One patient constantly searched for anti-aging creams while barely eating supportive meals consistently. Again, the body builds skin from internal nourishment too. Now here's another hidden issue many people overlook completely: sun exposure. And honestly, sun damage becomes one of the biggest accelerators of visible aging. Wrinkles, spots, texture changes. Everything accumulates gradually over decades. One older woman told me, "I didn't realize the damage from my 40s would show up in my 70s. Again, the skin remembers repeated exposure. Now here's another emotional truth many doctors rarely discuss openly enough. One of the hardest parts of aging is looking in the mirror and feeling unfamiliar with your own face. But honestly, some of the most beautiful older adults I've ever met were not wrinkle-free. They simply looked warm, rested, alive, emotionally connected to life. That vitality matters more than perfection ever will." Now let's talk briefly about consistency, because consistency changes the skin far more than extreme short-term routines.